It's 5 a.m. and the city is waking to another day. One by one, the early birds are arriving to open the warehouses and factories. First, they turn on the lights. That means all the lights. And for a 10,000 metre square warehouse, that means 180 440-watt mercury vapor high bays. That's 79,000 watts per hour all told, which is about $16 per hour. These old lamps have been installed in almost every factory building throughout Australia. They're a ridiculous lamp for the modern age. They burn 440 watts of power, take over 4 minutes to heat up, cannot be dimmed or frequently switched on and off, have a life of less than 10,000 hours, frequently catch fire, and are expensive to maintain. The first man in and last man standing switch the lights, so that means they are on at 100% power until they're switched off at the end of the last shift. This typical warehouse will cost $145 per day to remain bright. It's not very bright really, is it? Okay, what if you were able to determine the exact amount of light that you require to perform different tasks around your workplace? What if you were also able to measure the natural light coming in through doorways and through skylights, and adjust each and every lamp to provide a precise zone-specific light output matched to unique tasks? For example, 300 lux for detailed assembly and 80 lux for warehousing. And imagine being able to instruct the lamps to maintain your light settings throughout the day as ambient lights varies due to sun intensity, cloud cover, and door closures. If that wasn't enough, what if you were able to automatically turn off the lights or dim them right down when there was no one around? Detect staff arrival and turn them on instantly so that you are never in the dark. Keep the lights burning until after you've gone, and reduce your costs by over 80%. Well, all that's possible with VABOSS. A VABOSS lighting control unit is fitted to each light. The VABOSS control manages light output. The rest is up to the factory manager, who will use a smartphone app or software on a simple tablet and wireless to connect to individual lamps to set the light levels and timing. A sensor in each control unit is alert for movement. In a split second, it adjusts each light to the appropriate level. They remain on until movement ceases, then they gently turn off again. This is ingenious. You can walk in and out all day long. It doesn't matter how often, VABOSS will sense you. It's not been possible in the past with mercury vapor and metal halide high bay lamps. They're much too slow to switch repeatedly. But the new LEDs love it. They happily dim up and down 1,000 times a day. VABOSS can be fitted to almost any fluorescent or LED high bay. VABOSS engineers will help design and supply a sample mountable housing and interface for any lamp from almost any manufacturer. So ask your manager to contact VABOSS. They'll put you in touch with a distributor who can arrange supply and advice, or alternatively an audit and model savings for you.